joining me for the Designing Forms series. Today, we're going to learn all about the location field in the Forms on Fire Form Designer. Let's say you want to enable your mobile users to capture a GPS location while they're out in the field. The location field type allows you to do this, and much more. To add a location field to your form, just simply click and drag the field to where you want to place it in your page. Click on your newly added location field to display the properties on the right-hand side of the form designer. You can completely customize the look, feel, and even functionality of your field. Let's go ahead and change the data name and give our newly added location field a title text. Let's ask the mobile user to capture their GPS location. The location field allows you to choose a desired accuracy of GPS position captured. Keep in mind, the higher the accuracy, the longer the device will take to acquire the coordinates. Let's keep ours on the default, which is 10, but you can go as high as 250 or as low as 5. If you enable address lookup, the mobile user will see a Find Address button after they capture a location. Tapping this button will attempt a reverse geocode search for the address matching the given coordinates. Once found, the address information is stored along with the location coordinates in this field. This is very useful if you want the address information or your mobile user may be completing their form at like a facility or a site. You can even let your mobile users select a location from a map by enabling the option selection from a map. There are different ways you may want to display your map type to your mobile users. We allow you to choose from standard, hybrid, or satellite. Location field is a diverse and powerful field type. Enable users on the go to grab their exact location as they fill out their mobile forms. Now let's give it a try on the Forms on Fire mobile application. Now you know how to use a location field on the Forms on Fire Form Designer. Our technical support is on standby if you need any assistance. Comment below with what you'd like to see next. Join me for our next tutorial video. Mobile forms that work beautifully.